It looks like my lazy spar monogo is flat. It's got puncture. So we'll try and find out where it is and how to fix it. I've just blew it back up. Now I'm just going to use the squirty bottle. I've put water and washed up liquid in and squirt the hot tub and see if I can find this air hole. I found the hole. If I squirt here, you can see that's bubbling. That's where the air is coming from. So now I've found the hole. Now it's time to patch it. I let all the air out of the hot tub to use this glue. The glue I used, storm shower, and that's all I've done. Try to patch the hole up. And we'll see if that works. It's been a couple of hours now, and as you can see, solid. Looks like the puncture package worked.